Hey guys, welcome to the course Learn Raspberry Pi. If you want to learn this Raspberry Pi and you don't know from where to begin, then this is the course for you. In this course, I am going to cover everything that required to set up your Raspberry Pi, including its specification, then how to install operating system, then all the essential steps to set up your Raspberry Pi. So stick with me throughout this series of Learn Raspberry Pi and stay connected. Raspberry Pi is a single board computer that has all the similar components as desktop PC but in a smaller form and of course in low cost. You can use Raspberry Pi for various projects like robotics, gaming consoles, automation, tablet computer, AI assistant and much more. It is really a cool learning board with lots of features. Kids can also build fun projects with the help of this board. A very interesting resource for this project is MacPi Magazine, which is launched by Raspberry Pi itself on their official website. I'll give its link in description box. But first, you have to buy Raspberry Pi kit. It is having all the hardware components which are essential to get started with using Raspberry Pi. I am having this cool kit which includes Raspberry Pi guidebook. Here you will find all the necessary information to set up your Raspberry Pi board, then Raspberry Pi 4B module, then adapter, it is of 5 volt, then SD card, it is of 32 GB, class 10 SD card, then this is card reader to insert SD card here, then this is Ethernet cable, then HDMI cable, this is power cable, and this is case for your Raspberry Pi board. I have already attached fan to it. This fan will keep your Pi board cool. I have already stick 3 heat sinks to this Raspberry Pi board. The Raspberry Pi board having different kinds of RAM size, that is 1 GB, 2 GB, 4 GB. Here I am having 4 GB RAM Pi board. But you can use whatever RAM you want according to your purpose like testing, graphics or any other desktop application. This USB power cable having a switch, this one, see. And it's helpful to using all the time rather than pulling cable in and out again and again. You can just click on or off, that's it. And see, this board is having 2 HDMI ports and you are having only one HDMI cable in kit, but in case of dual monitor you have to buy one more for that. So this is about Raspberry Pi kit. I'll give its buying link in description box.